My name is Brandy. I am the assistant manager and esthetician for Beauty Collection Malibu. My biggest takeaway from today's training was learning how to mix all the products together and try different things together. I have a lot of personal favorites from Epicuren, one of them being the Brazilian Propolis lotion as well as the mist. Colostrum cream is also a personal favorite as well. I like a lot of things from the line actually. What I love about Epicuren is that they're very effective. Everything that I've tried from them has worked very, very well, regardless of what product it was.
I am Marcela Martinez. I am the beauty collection manager for Marina Del Rey. I think my biggest takeaway was just seeing how everything worked together, from cleanser to serums to moisturizer. I think the Propolis was probably my favorite. I think I just like everything that kind of the clean, balanced, everything that you guys stand for.